how to do a hip lift with an exercise ball for a sexy butt. So for this exercise, you'll need your exercise ball. You're just gonna lay down on the floor. You're gonna bring your feet, your heels up onto the exercise ball. And this exercise is really gonna focus on not only just your butt, but also your core stabilization. You're gonna press through those heels, raise those hips up, and then down. So for beginners, you really wanna start with your hands on the sides. You wanna have a slight bend in your knees, and the focus here is really digging through those heels as you press up on the ball. So hands by your sides, you press all the way up into that ball, squeeze your butt as you raise the hips up, and then bring it down. You're gonna feel this all throughout the back of the legs, the hamstrings, and the butt. If you're more advanced, you can take your hands off, bring them here. Makes it a little bit more challenging, focuses more on that core stabilization. But for my beginners, start off with your hands to the side, slight bend on the knees, press those hips up and down, just like that. And that is how you do a hip lift on an exercise ball for a sexy butt.